Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Man, today guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a two-top convertible. It's got the painted hardtop on it, and it's also got a tan soft top that's underneath that. Wicked cool car. I don't normally mess with a lot of these. Number one, they drive like riding a skateboard. If you've ever driven these first gen Corvettes, that front suspension on these cars is just terrible. It's like I say, riding a skateboard. They're a terrible ride. This car here has an aftermarket independent front suspension. This drives nicer than any old 57 Corvette you're ever going to get in. Really changes them the way they drive. Love this color combination. It is beautiful. Aztec copper and Polo white, and then it's got the cream interior in it. I just think that's beautiful. Great car. Great car. Not a whole lot to really pick at on it. The car just went through a frame off restoration. There's a couple little stone packs as I've seen walking around it, but very, very nice car. And like I say, if you've driven these cars, matter of fact, there's a box with brand new bumperettes. Oh, I see, they got a little fade on the side. But there's a brand new bumperettes are in the trunk for this car, so if you want to replace those. Not stock. It's got a 327, 67 Camaro 327 underneath the hood. 4-speed manual trans. Like I say, they've done some upgrades on this car, and yep. This is the hard top. This comes off. Got some fingerprints or something in the window there. I wish we had some sunshine on this car. This is a gorgeous color on this car. I love that back view right there. That's just slick as can be. Those are BF Goodrich Silvertown wide whites. Those are radials, though they're not bias ply. So again, you get there's a big difference in the way they drive between those radials and those bias plies. And then it's got the factory spinner Corvette hubcaps on it. I love this car, guys. This car's got a great look, and when you look in there, it's got the retro steering wheel in it. So bigger guys like me, I can fit in this car. I'm 6'2", 240, so those big steering wheels get in my way. Yeah, it's a good looking car. Again, 67, 327 in here. It does have the GM double hump heads on it. Edelbrock aluminum intake, brand new Holley 4-barrel. You can see, I mean, all new brake lines. They've done a nice job on this car. Again, it's a bolt-in independent front suspension, tubular control arms. It's got rack and pinion steering. It has 11-inch Wilwood front disc brakes on it, front sway bar on it. It's got Viking double adjustable front coil-over shocks, MSD Billet Ready to Run distributor in it, finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. You can see it's got the ram's horn High performance exhaust manifolds. Again, it's four-wheel disc brakes. I'm sorry, front disc brakes. It has rear drums, I'm sorry. I misspoke here. Typical little fiberglass stuff on these cars. It's pretty common. And like I say, it drives out great. Love the interior. Factory bucket seats, floor shifter. Again, it's got the retro style wheel, which gives you a little more room to get in this thing. It'll be fun watching Nathan get in here. He's 6'4" with size 14 shoes on. 38,000, I'm sure that's 138. All these gauges have been redone. They all work. It's got an aftermarket Pioneer sound system, but the tach and everything works on it. Floor shifter. Dual exhaust system. Trying to make sure I got a stock rear axle in it. It's got KYB rear shocks in it. This is all done real nice in here. Again, there's brand new front license plate bumperettes. Spare is in here. Really cool car. Oh, what did I do? Still functioning. Thought I shut it off. We're still good. Very nice underneath. I love that rear shot of these cars. Those gauges are nice and clean. It's a neat car. Guess we've got the original owner's manual coming for it and a little bit of receipts, not much, they said. Yeah, runs and drives just as sweet as can be, guys. It'll kick down here. The choke does work. Gauges, all your turn signals and everything work in there. It's just a cool car. There it goes. It'll kick down. So cool from the back, man. Wicked cool. Great sound. Radio works. I don't know if the clock works. That's the only thing I didn't. Holding good oil pressure. Batteries charging. Tach works. Fuel gauge works. Temp gauge works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.